While some women are busy keeping their families happy, spreading smiles, and keeping up the love and lives of innumerable people, there are even women who prefer to carry rifles and ammunition on battleground. While some women are learning to become self-reliant in life, there are even some other women who are teaching and training their male counterparts on how to survive in a war. Every female is an indomitable asset to our nation, and it is by them we survive and live. Every one of them have their own way of style, and India is not just changing its geopolitical scenarios but is also significantly improving in dealing and countering the gender discrimination. Before beginning, I would like to tell you that SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. It is one-stop solution for you if you are preparing for NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army and Indian Air Force Airmen Group X and Group Y. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and even directly visit us through our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com to have each and every defense related information. And you can directly download our app from Google Play Store, where you can have all sorts of defense related study material content in your hands. Let me introduce to you Major Divya Ajit Kumar, a very famous Indian Army officer who bags the prestigious recognition of having Indian Army's first female Sword of Honor. The coveted honor given to Major Divya was that she is the first lady cadet to be conferred by the Army with the coveted Sword of Honor. She is an officer of the Indian Army's Army Air Defense Corps, and she is very smart and she possesses a very distinguished career. Before beginning with her career details, I would like to tell you about her early education life. She did her schooling at Good Shepherd Matriculation Higher Secondary School at Chennai, and her higher education was at Stella Maris College in Chennai. She belonged to a civilian non-defense background before being commissioned in the army. Then how did she acquire the interest to get into the Indian Army? It was because she was a part of NCC and she led an All India Women NCC contingent at Rajpath on the Republic Day during her regular National Republic Day camp, and she won All India Best Girl Cadet at that point of time. Along with that, she even won the Best Parade Commander award. She was very young and possessed an extremely sharp brain. She then cleared the CDS examination and subsequently she even cleared the SSB course in the year of 2009, and she became commissioned in the year of 2010, and she was commissioned into the Corps of Army Air Defense. She even topped the Young Officers course of Army Air Defense College in 2011, the next year, and was awarded the Silver Gun Trophy. Going through the next important distinguished honor is that she led a 154 membered first all-women contingent of Indian Army on Republic Day, where former US President Barack Obama was present as the chief guest. This is a very brave moment and a very respected moment for us. Later, she even served as an instructor at OTA Chennai, and she even participated in the United Nations mission to South Sudan as a part of India's contribution among the troops. Major Divya is truly an inspiration to each and every one of us, especially to the female defense aspirants out there. And going through her personal life, and she is not only just a normal person, she even actively takes part in various sports such as basketball and discus throw. She is also an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer and a percussionist. She visits schools and colleges as of now to motivate youth in joining the Indian Armed Forces, and she is an active part in the Indian Army Air Defense Corps. You can see her badge here, where she even participated in the UN mission to South Sudan, and she is a very respectable recognition for us. She will always stay as an inspiration to each and every one of us. If you're regularly following us in Twitter, you will also know about Major Divya Ajit Kumar, that we have tweeted that she's the first woman in the history of Indian Army to receive the coveted Sword of Honor. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Telegram also to have each and every important defense related update for us. And I would wish that each and every one of you get inspired by her, join the Indian Armed Forces like she was. She carried forward her ambitions and hard work without a break. It's been more than 10 years and we are still talking about her. I would like to tell you that if you are burning enough to attain the recognition like she did, you will also shine like her. I wish every defense aspirant watching this video soon gets recommended and join the Indian Armed Forces. Like, share and subscribe us for more knowledgeable content. Stay home, stay safe and Jai Hind.